times. Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Oh, you know I love you, Mama. Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know, loving you is like food to my soul. You're always down for me, you've always been around for me, even when I was bad. You showed me right from my wrong. Yes, you did. And you took off for me when everyone was down in me. You always did understand. You gave me strength to go on. There were so many times looking back when I was so afraid. And then you come to me and say to me, I can face anything. And no one else can do what you've done for me. You'll always be, you will always be the girl in my life. Mama.
Mommy, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Sorry kung minsan matapa ako sa chat. Ingat ka dyan. I love you.
Go. Happy birthday, Ami. Happy birthday sa pinakamaganda kong kapatid. Yun lang masasabi ko at wala na.
Ami, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, tsaka ingat ka dyan palagi. Mahal ka namin lahat.
And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.